Dear students, in this video I am taking a very small real life application of infinite GP, that is the recurring decimal number as sum to infinity of GP. We have sometimes come across 4.2333 like this type of number. This is going on, or we may have 232323 like this. This is going on up till infinity, this 3, and here this part 232323, two digits are repeating after each two digits, or I can take 107, 107, 107 and so on. Now, what type of pattern you have seen over here? This 3 is repeating here indefinitely, and these two digits 2, 3 are repeating themselves indefinitely, and in this case 107, 107, 107, these are repeating. So in the recurring decimal number, for the representation of decimal in real numbers, we call these numbers as recurring decimal when some of the digits are repeating themselves after some period. So they are called periodic, and so we have recurring or repeating decimal numbers. These are called recurring or repeating decimal numbers, decimal representation of real numbers. Now, we can convert these numbers in the form of rational numbers with the help of infinite geometric series. Now let us see one by one a few examples. Say, find a rational number which represents the number, say 0.3222 and so on up till infinity. Now we are given a number in which the digit 2 is repeating indefinitely. Let me write this number as x. This is 0.3222 etc. up till infinity. This is not needed to write actually. Now this means actually 0.3 plus 0.02 plus 0.002 plus 0.0002 and so on up till infinity. This number can be written as sum of these all. And you can see that this is forming an infinite and further it is a GP. See how this is your first term, and here the common ratio is A I can take as 0.02 and R will be having here 0.1. This is 0.1. Now I can, because this is less than 1, so I can use here infinite. Now you can see the first term 0.3 as it is, and we are having in the bracket as infinite GP. So I'll apply here the first term 0.02 and the common ratio as 0.1 minus 1 minus 0.1. That is, after simplifying is 0.3 plus 0.02 upon 0.9. That is 0.33 by 10 plus 2 by 100 into 10 by 9. This cancels out, so this is 3 by 10 plus 2 by 90. After simplifying, this is 90. 27 plus 2, 29 by 90. So we have seen how to convert this recurring or repeating decimal number in the form of rational number. So now let me take one more example. Find rational number which represents the number. I may take the number as 356, 356, 356 with point up till infinity. Now again let me write this number as y. Now you can see here the repeating part is this. There is one more thing. I can write this number in the form of 0.32 bar, which is the repeating part, which is periodic and repeating after some period. I can always represent that as bar. So here I can also write the number as 0.356 whole bar. So now there are 3 digits, means after 3 digits this is becoming periodic. So I can write this as 0.356 plus 0.000356 plus 0.00000356 and so on up till infinity. So now you can see over here, this is again an infrared GP. How? This first term here is 0.356 and the common ratio here is 0.001. You can check it. Now after that we are having, again this is less than 1, so we can apply the formula for infinite GP as, this is first term 1 minus 0.001, that is your 0.356 upon 1 minus 0.001 is 0.999. So we are getting it as 356 by 999. This is your answer. Now 0.712, 12, 12, 12, etc. In this we have taken as x as this number in which 2 digits are going to repeat themselves. So I can also write this as 0.712 bar. Now let me take this as x. Now I will separate this 0.7 and then plus 0.012 this part. After that 0.00012 and then 0.0000012 and so on up till infinity. You have to write it very carefully. There 0.012 next added and then 3 zeros and then 12, then 5 zeros and 12 and so on. Again you can leave the 0.7 first place and you can apply GP, infinite GP in this bracket. Again I can see first term as 0.012 and the common ratio you can see over here as 0.019. Now this is your first term 0.012 upon 1 minus 0.01, applying the formula for S infinity as A upon 1 minus R. So this is your 7 by 10 plus 12 by 1000 into 100 by 99 is getting cancelled. So we are left with 7 by 10 plus 12 by 990. After that, if I take LCM, so this is your 990. We can simplify it further and get the answer.